What's going on, guys? Biker Dave here. If your car is having trouble spraying out of the windshield washer nozzles, but you know you have fluid in the reservoir, there's a couple things you need to check. First, you need to find the tubing that leads to the nozzles. You know, they're usually under your hood mat right here, so you may have to find your way to pull the hood mat down so you can have a look up in there. Like, it's different for every car, but there you go. You see how the hose goes into there? Make sure that all those junctions are connected all the way across. First of all, make sure that the junctions, those rubber junctions, are not split or dry rotted or corroded or whatever. You may have to replace those. You can get those online. I'll put some links. The nozzle itself might be clogged with debris and whatnot. So another thing you can do is just separate them right here. Just pull these apart and then take some compressed air. You know, if you have an air gun or something, spray air in both directions. You'll hear some fluid come out of here, so make sure you pop that off. You'll hear fluid pop out of there. So, you know, if you're spraying in that direction, listen for fluid coming out, because the tank may be filled with debris also. And then also spray air going in the other direction and make sure that the hose does not pop off up in there. Okay, that may help you out. Otherwise, you may have to replace the tank and the little electric motor that's in there. The electric pump may be dead or clogged, so make sure you can hear it. Make sure you can hear it buzzing when you hit the trigger. That's it. Check out our other videos. All kinds of cool stuff on our channel. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen. You'll have a good day. We'll see you later.